Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi is adding another budget-friendly phone by adding a new K80 Pro variant. Redmi often brings a fresh design with each new series. What's up guys? You are watching QSQ Technology YouTube channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The phone has a large circular camera module on the back, completely different from its previous model. The main camera sensor of the phone will be 50 megapixel. And come with IP68 dust and water resistant ratings. The smartphone will come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset by enabling you to use an octa-core CPU running at 3.3 GHz and GPU of Adreno. Redmi K8 Pro has been powered by a large battery pack. The Xiaomi Redmi K8 Pro 6.7 inches screen size with OLED touchscreen display and a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. Also, there will be the option of 120 watt fast charging. The smartphone will come with 12, 16 and big 24 GB of RAM and 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal storage. Redmi K8 Pro will run on Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.